Alrighty. Today is August 26th, 2025. It is Tuesday, and today it was, doing the reviews again. I want to put that back into my practice as a daily thing. Take a look back in the past and review. So, what was I gonna do or say? Yeah. So today, don't mind this on the screen here. This is fake. Um, I do it because I'm in these WhatsApp group chats and I'm trying to find these next, Chinese scam companies, and they ask you to buy these stocks and provide proof. So that's what it has to do. So on this currently right now they have this one. It's like just insane moves today on this one. Told me to buy it, so it was up here early in the morning, and then said, "Oh, buy it at 9:20, whatever." Anyways, we disregard that fact. Today I made two trades. Actually, let's talk about yesterday. Yesterday I made a trade on Tesla. Um, do I have a screenshot? I do have a screenshot of it. Let's see here. Um, give me a second. Oh, yeah, I know why I can't find it, because it's not on this computer. Anyways, here it is. This is for my Evernote database. So you can see here, I bought it first thing in the morning. So this line here, I didn't have it initially, but I had it I had it in my head, for example, because this was the highs of the previous day, which was here, right at 340. So I told myself, okay, if it gets over 340, and this was pre-market, or I'm sorry, post-market highs. I said, okay, if it gets over red to green here with some good volume and some force, I'm gonna buy it. So I bought it, and I was risking the low of the day at that time, like 338.25. I don't know what it was. So I bought 100 shares. Was risking like $200. Nothing crazy. And I got stopped out. I saw it come back up to red to green and reject, and I was like, okay. Once it rejected, I was like, okay, it's getting weak. And then it went under VWAP again, and then I saw a push up back to VWAP here, rejected again, and I was like, okay, it's still weak. And then it went up through VWAP. I was like, okay, it's getting a little stronger. And then it kind of, like you can see here again, it kind of rejected red to green again, and then it popped right back over red to green, and then it kind of used it as support just slightly here. You can kind of see it, and it kind of created like a little range and a flag here. And I wasn't paying attention, or I wasn't on my computer at the time, so I didn't re-enter. So that kind of sucked. But yeah, so I missed that move yesterday. It's around 348 right now, so kind of like around here. So I missed that one. I took a loss on that one. And then today I took two big not big losses, but two losses on NBIS. I mean, this is like a beautiful setup. I think it's kind of perfect. It's like a 5-star setup. It breaks out of this range, builds another range, bounces off the 20, builds higher lows, right above the 10, and it broke out, and then failed, took a loss. Same thing with MP. MP, now, this one, you could argue that the entry was yesterday. You can probably argue very well that it was yesterday, or it's still setting up. That could be the other argument on why this one, what happened to this one. Same thing, I bought this one, got stopped out. Yeah, so that's not fun at all. These are the ones on my watch. Missed this one. Missed this one down here. This one I'm watching with the interest rates. It seems like it's doing pretty well. NBIS, nice trending, bouncing off this, surfing this 50-day moving average. Pretty perfect here. Rigetti, just on watch. IonQ, Credo, missed this one today. Yeah. AHR, I missed that one yesterday. I got it late though. But yeah, so I want to do a review, going back to doing reviews, video reviews. Also, I'm going to do like a Sunday. Oh, I'm listening to this music. Sorry. Sunday, what's this called? Sunday accountability review that I got from JSC on Twitter. So I kind of want to implement this, and then I'm gonna create like a plan right now on my Evernote to see how I can get better, what I gotta cut, what I gotta focus more on. So after that yearly review, I feel like I left a ton on the table, and recently I've been in a drawdown right now. So I think I need to do a lot of work. There's a lot of work I need to do. Yesterday um, I actually made I used Google Colab to create a P&L chart, like a real P&L chart. I'm trying to see. I don't think I have. I don't think it's saved. I don't think it's saved. Anyways, I'll try to find a video. Okay, what's this? Okay, it's just setting up. But yeah. So I had the I don't know where it's at. I gotta find it. I don't. Um, yeah, I don't have it. I gotta redo it. I did it on another computer, so I gotta find those pictures and stuff. But yeah. So I want to come back to making these videos, doing reviews on what I could have done better. What was the best opportunities today, in my opinion. Um, Not much today. In my watch list. Oh, this big one today. This was a huge one. So I actually saw that same trader that I got the Sunday review, accountability review from, JSE, something like that. He was talking about Rentec over the weekend, and he's like, "Yo," he was like, "Catalyst. There needs to be a catalyst here. Blah blah blah, whatever." And I was like, "Okay, I guess it's not that bad looking. It's not good at all. Actually, it doesn't look good at all." And then yesterday, tons of volume came in yesterday. I don't know what the news was yesterday, but tons, like almost like tons of volume from its average, as you can see here. The average was 11 million or 8 million the day before, 9 million, and then it just jumped up to 65. And then even today, they posted on X, new robot October 27th to 29th, NVIDIA, Washington D.C. So they have something coming out with NVIDIA. I guess a new robot coming out. So this is gonna probably be a great play leading all the way up to October. If nothing else comes out, or they just keep hyping this thing up, it's gonna be. I think it's gonna be a buy the rumor, sell the news type event on this one. But this is pretty big move. In 2 days, you can see here it's up 47%. So this was a pretty big move today. This did happen midday. It kind of started picking up right at around. It kind of broke its highs at around 260, right around 1234. So depending, this is market time, 1234 Eastern, and then right around 140 Eastern market time. Sorry, I think that news came out, and the price was around 270 at the time. So hopefully, from personal opinion, or what I want is for it to pull back, buy some dips, and then take off. That'd be obviously what that's what I want. But we're gonna have it? Probably not. It's probably gonna go straight up. But okay, looking at at my watch list here, everything seems to be going straight up, and I'm not in anything. Credo, very nice. Tilray got some weakness today. Let's look at the wheat stocks. Okay. This one looks pretty nice. Sundial is pretty good too. And then looking at solar. Where's solar at? Solar's up here. A little bit of weakness today for solar. But let's look at what industries are moving the biggest today. I like to do this towards the end of the day, so you can see what's moving. So these airports, yep, too slow, but these are doing pretty good. They're doing well. Communication equipment. I think this was due to, honestly, this whole move, this big move, is from a buyout. I can show you guys right here. SATs, I think, getting bought out. They're gonna get bought out today. Other rumors, something I forgot. I can look at the news. Idiot. And then also VSAT, but NT. Yep. Anyways, going back to the gold's going straight up again. Just been going straight up for for almost a year now. Okay, not a year. That'd be ridiculous. Feels like a year because I haven't touched gold at all. You can see a bunch of gold names just keep going up. It's pretty amazing this move gold has. Okay. Actually goods, aerospace. I think ASTS. There you go. Rocket Lab. Black Sky. Is it Black Sky or Blue Sky? It's Black Sky. There it is. Doing alright. Anyways, so this is a pretty much trading review that I have so far. On these past 2 days, I've been trading Tesla. Looks like it's doing pretty well. MP. Looks like it's some weakness on there. Same thing with NBIS. Maybe they're setting up for more. Maybe a week or two, a couple more days. But yeah, that's it from me. I got nothing much else to talk about. I just gotta create a plan. So how to get to the next level, how to get better at this. Because obviously what I'm doing is not working, and I need to up my game. So I gotta cut out a lot of things, a lot of distractions, and gotta do a lot more studying. So I'll see you guys.